Shaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, we have a question. Prove that 0 1 close interval is equivalent to AB close interval. To prove 0 1 close interval is equivalent to AB close interval, we will define a function f such that 0 1 close interval to AB close interval. 0 1 close interval is domain and AB close interval is our range. As fx is equal to a plus bracket b minus a bracket x for all the x belong to 0 1 close interval, because 0 1 close interval is our domain. We first show that f defined above is 1 1. For this we take the two element from the image, that is fx1 is equal to fx2. This implies that as defined above function a plus bracket b minus a bracket x1 is equal to a plus bracket b minus a bracket x2. Now from left and right hand side, by the cancellation property, a will cancel out. Remaining is b minus a bracket x1 is equal to b minus a bracket x2. b minus a bracket dividing, and this implies that x1 is equal to x2, that is f is 1 1. Now we show that f such that 0 1 close interval is equivalent to AB close interval, given by fx is equal to a plus bracket b minus a bracket x is onto. Since f of 0 is equal to a plus bracket b minus a bracket into 0, so it will become a, and f of 1 is equal to a plus bracket b minus a bracket 1 is equal to b a plus b minus a plus a will cancel out b, that is f of 0 is equal to a and f of 1 is equal to b. Now let t belong to a b open interval, which is the image, taking an element from the image. This implies that t is greater than a and less than b, because 0 and 1 is taken out. Suppose that t is the image of u, that is f of u is equal to t. By definition of the function, f of u will become a plus bracket b minus a bracket u is equal to t. This implies that b minus a bracket u is equal to t minus a. Dividing by b minus a, so it will become u is equal to t minus a divided by b minus a. All this is equation number star. Now next, since t is greater than a and less than b, subtracting a both side, so a minus a is less than t minus a is less than b minus a minus a is equal to 0, t minus a is greater than 0 less than b minus a, dividing by b minus a both end side, so 0 divided by b minus a less than t minus a divided by b minus a is less than b minus a divided by b minus a. b minus a will cancel out, it will become 1, so t minus a divided by b minus a is greater than 0 and less than 1. Thus star gives us u is greater than 0 and less than 1, that is t belong to a b open interval is the image of sum u belong to 0 1 open interval, and also f of 0 is equal to a and f of 1 is equal to b. Therefore the function as defined above, f such that 0 1 close interval to a b close interval is given by fx is equal to a plus bracket b minus a bracket x, is bijective. Therefore we can say that 0 1 close interval is equivalent to a b close interval, and that is proved. Now we have next question. Show that the open interval 0 1 is equivalent to the set R plus, that is the set of the all positive real numbers. To prove that 0 1 open interval is equivalent to R plus, let us consider a function f such that 0 1 open interval to R plus defined by fx is equal to bracket x if x is greater than 0 less than or equal to 1 by 2, and if x is greater than 1 by 2 and less than 1, this is equal to 1 by 4 1 minus x. We shall show that the function as defined above is bijective. We see that if x belong to 0 open 1 close interval, fx is equal to x, that is fx becomes like an identity function which is always bijective function. Now for x1 x2 belong to 1 by 2 1 open interval, let fx1 is equal to fx2 for 1 1 as defined above the function. it will become fx1 is equal to 1 by 4 1 minus x1, and fx2 is equal to 1 by 4 1 minus x2. 1 by 4 1 by 4 will cancel out. This implies that 1 by 1 minus x is equal to 1 by 1 minus x2. By cross multiplication, 1 minus x1 is equal to 1 minus x2. 1 1 cancel out, multiplying by minus. This implies that x1 is equal to x2. So the given function is 1 1. Now let t belong to 1 by 2 infinity. Open interval is the image of x, that is fx is equal to t, as defined above. Fx is equal to 1 by 4 1 minus x is equal to t. By reciprocal, 4 bracket 1 minus x is equal to 1 by t, dividing by 4 1 minus x is equal to 1 by 4t. This implies that 1 minus 4t is equal to x. That is, obviously x is greater than 0 less than 1, because thus fx is onto, and therefore we can say that 0 1 open interval is equivalent to r plus.